Infoman here, and welcome to my TrafficX Pro review. In this review, I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what TrafficX Pro is. I'm going to go ahead and give you a demo of how it works. And if you stick with me, I'm going to go ahead and show you the custom bonuses that I have for you if you decide to pick up TrafficX Pro from me in the link down below this video in the description. So essentially, what is TrafficX Pro? So TrafficX Pro is a cloud-based app that allows you to create fresh content. This is going to be content that's not copyrighted in just 2 minutes by taking YouTube videos and extracting the words that the people are saying within that video and turning it into text so that you can publish it on your blog, and then you can link out to different products on Amazon, eBay, or wherever else you want to be an affiliate for. So this app right here is going to do that all for you on an automated system. And I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how it works right after I show you the custom bonuses that I have for you. So in order to get to my bonus page, you're going to go ahead and click on the link down below the description of this video, and you're going to go ahead and see this page. This here is my bonus page, and I have a few custom bonuses for you. So bonus number 1 is the massive niche list. So this is going to be a list of over 500 different niches that you could basically exploit and use for your different blogs, and then you're going to be able to set up those blogs with TrafficX Pro and populate them with different product reviews that is all going to be automated, and then you're going to be able to link your affiliate links in those different blog articles. So that's bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is unlimited YouTube traffic. Now I thought this would be perfect to add my unlimited YouTube traffic custom bonus video in here, because it's going to show you how to rank YouTube videos, different secret strategies that no one else is teaching, so you can get unlimited traffic to your blog by creating simple YouTube videos that are going to drive traffic to your blog that you could link your affiliate links to Amazon or to eBay or wherever you want to on. So bonus number 3 is unlimited Quora traffic. So I also added another traffic source because I feel like you really do need traffic coming into your different product blogs, because without traffic, you're not going to be able to get sales to your affiliate links. So with Quora traffic here, this is a custom bonus created by me, and it's going to show you how to rank at the top of Quora for different search terms. So say that somebody was searching for what is the best cell phone of 2019. So you're going to be able to create a valuable piece of content, list it onto Quora, and then rank it and outrank your competitors with the secrets that I show you inside this bonus. Bonus number 4 is Traffic Lab, and this is a complete traffic suite. So it teaches you how to get traffic by creating these simple videos and info products, and it helps you send traffic in order to get conversions from your videos. So this is a software, cloud-based software, and you're going to be able to use this to drive traffic to your affiliate blogs. So these are my bonuses. You get to this page by clicking down below this video in the description. There's going to be a link, and you can also read a little bit more here about TrafficX Pro. It's going to show you what it is, and it's also going to show you the prices and the upsells. And why don't I just go through them real fast? So the front end of the product is going to get you that software. It's going to get you the full suite, and that's going to be $22 as the Earlybird price, and that's going to start rising 6 hours into a Dimesale. So it's going to go up over time. So if you are interested, go ahead and get that before those 6 hours run out if you want to get that $22 price. OTO number 1 is unlimited version. So this is going to allow you to create as many niche blogs as you want to, affiliate blogs to send traffic to Amazon and different things like that. So that's going to be the unlimited version, but there is a downsell. So if you go ahead and click no, I'm not interested in this offer, when you're inside the funnel, you're going to get the downsell for $47. So OTO number 2 is the 100X Advanced Edition, and this also has a downsell for $77 instead of the normal price of $97. And this is going to show you how to generate quick and easy cash with the software TrafficX Pro. It's going to show you how to, with a few simple tweaks, boost your profits 50 times to 100 times or even more. So these are going to be advanced methods for tapping into the hottest niches available. OTO number 3 is done for you money sites, and this is going to be $297, and it's that price because they are actually doing it for you. So everything's going to be hands-free, and you're going to get 20 different money sites. These are probably going to be Amazon affiliate sites that they are going to build for you. OTO number 4 is Super Trafficked Machine, and this has a downsell of 57 and the normal price is 77. So go ahead and check out that downsell if you're interested in saving some money. So this is going to show you how to get traffic and sales to your money sites so that you can basically exploit that traffic through viral means. OTO number 5 is the license rights, and that's going to be 197, but there's a downsell for 147, and that allows you to basically own TrafficX Pro as your own product and sell it and keep 100% of the profits every time you sell it, because if you sell it as an affiliate product, you're going to be able to keep 100% instead of, less than that, 50% as an affiliate marketer. So those are the upsells or the OTOs of TrafficX Pro. You can go ahead and check this out through the link down below in the description. So let's go ahead now and go through TrafficX Pro, and I'll show you kind of how it works and how you're going to be able to extract that text from the audio of YouTube videos and turn it into a blog post. So this is the dashboard of TrafficX Pro, and the first thing you're going to want to do is set up your blog. So you're going to be able to set up your blog, name it, add your blog URL, your WordPress username, and your WordPress password, and all of that good stuff. Once you've created your blog, you can go ahead and start a new campaign. So we'll go ahead and call it Demo, and we'll call it Demo Video for the description. So now that you have your campaign open, we're going to go ahead and use YouTube videos as the content that we're going to go ahead and scrape. We're going to call this, let's go with Samsung or smartphones, and we'll go smartphones for the tag. And then you go ahead and add some keywords, and what this is going to do is it's going to search YouTube for videos that have this keyword. And you're going to go ahead and hit Create Job, and then it's going to go ahead and populate this with different videos. So now what you can do is you can select a different video or whatever video that you like, and it's going to go ahead and extract that audio into a text here. So there you go. You see it has all of the text, and you can go ahead and use it as content for your blog. You can also add your affiliate link, and then you can go ahead and publish this to your blog. Another thing you can do is you can actually find different products or product images that you can add to your blog. So as you can see here, we search for Amazon, then we search for a specific phone, and you can actually choose which one of these products you want to become an affiliate for that lines up exactly with that text that we extracted from those YouTube videos. So I hope that you enjoyed my TrafficX Pro review. That's just a little bit of a demo of how it works. And so if you're interested in any of those bonuses that I threw out there, or if you're interested in checking out TrafficX Pro, there'll be a link down below this video in the description, and you can go ahead and check it out there. So I'm Infoman, and I will see you next time.